Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to see unsent messages on Messenger 2024. Let's dive right in. Open the Messenger app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open a new menu bar on the left side. Next, tap the gear icon next to your profile name to access settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate the notification and sound option, and tap to open it. Ensure all notification and sound options are enabled. After that, return to the home screen and open your phone settings app. Find notification and status bar and tap to open it. Then open app notifications. In the app list, scroll down to find Messenger and press and hold on it for a moment. By enabling all these features, you'll receive notifications for messages even if the sender deletes them, and there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.